eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love.
Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great and you guys are safe. Today I am going to create a very simple, subtle yet a glamorous look. And guys, before starting any makeup you have to do your CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So I have done it before and have applied my primer, and now I am applying a color corrector to mask the dark circles, large pores and other pores from my skin. You just need a tiny bit of it, and I am using my teeny tiny fingers and I am taking my own sweet time to blend the concealer. For the primer, I have used the Lakme Absolute Makeup Primer as shown on the screen before. And for creating this look, you just don't need to use a lot of brushes. So after that I am taking a foundation brush and I am putting my concealer in place and I am just dabbing it properly on my skin. And for the foundation, I have used the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This is a good foundation for summers and for all skin type people, especially a go-to for the oily skin people. I'm blending the foundation using a foundation brush. I'm just dabbing the product into my skin. Don't drag it too much and don't layer up excess product so that it will appear unnatural and cakey. Few days back I created a poll on my Instagram and I have asked that whether you guys would like to see my Nykaa haul or not. So this was the response. And I would like to know the people who are not in my Instagram, do you guys would like to see my Instagram the Nykaa haul? If you are interested, comment down below. If you guys want to explore more about makeup and my skincare regime, you can go to my Instagram handle. I will post in the link in the description box below, so guys do check that. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Previously I have used a compact powder and I have applied it on my face to lock my base, and then I am using this particular palette from Maybelline and I will be posting all the product details in the description box.
Guys, do check that.
For the eye makeup I have used the two palettes, the Maybelline Nudes Palette and the Rose in the Air from Wet n Wild. For the crease, I have used the second transition shade, that is the darker one from the Wet n Wild palette. Take your own sweet time to build the color on your crease area. And to bring a pop of color on the lid, I have added the golden shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette. Then I have applied the same brown color on my lower lash line and I am coating my lashes using the mascara from Maybelline. You guys can create this look using only that one palette, that is the Maybelline Nudes palette. And that was my preference, using the two palettes, else you can go for any palette you like. For the eyebrows, I have used the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Soft Brown. I have just filled up those vacant spaces. For the blusher, I have used the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lip Color in the shade Red Coat. And guys, just look at the pigmentation, it's amazing, just look at it. And I have skipped the bronzer part. For the highlighter, I have used the Wet n Wild Ombre Blush and I have applied it on the regular points of my face. I have applied the lipstick off camera and I have used the lipstick Scarlet or Hara from the Matte as Hell range from Sugar Cosmetics. And with that we end this tutorial. Thank you for watching.